We have a curve defined by 9x squared plus y squared plus 6y minus 18x equals 342. We want to first determine dy dx by implicitly differentiating, taking a derivative of each individual piece. So we first get 18x plus 2y dy dx plus 6 dy dx minus 18, and that's going to be equal to 0. We want to isolate dy dx, so we'll get everything that does not have a dy dx to the other side of the equation. So we get negative 18x. Let me make sure I put this on the right side. Okay, so we get negative 18x plus 18. We move those two pieces over. On the other side, we're going to be able to factor out dy dx because both pieces have it. That leaves us with 2y plus 6. So then what's dy dx? dy dx is, I'm going to go ahead and factor out a negative 18 from here. So I get negative 18 times x minus 1. That's what's left over if I take away negative 18 from both pieces. And then down here, I'm going to get, okay, so 2y plus 6, I'm going to go ahead and factor out a 2 from that. So I get 2 times y plus 3. Okay, the reason I'm doing that is it's going to make our lives easier if we simplify this a little bit. So that's negative 9 times x minus 1 over y plus 3. Because part B asks for the equation of the line tangent to the curve at 3, 15. So what we need to do is we need to fill in y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Because that's the equation of a line through a point, x1 comma y1. So we get y minus 3 equals something times x minus 15. And that something is determined by our dy dx. This is our slope with our x and our y plugged in. So we get negative 9 times 3 minus 1 over 15 plus 3. So what's that going to be? On top we have negative 9 times 2, which is negative 18. On bottom we have positive 18, which is going to simplify to negative 1. So that's our slope, is negative 1. So our final equation of our tangent line is y minus 3 equals negative 1 times x minus 15. That is tangent to our curve at the points 15 comma 3. 3 comma 15. Yeah, so I messed up, and that's okay. We're going to fix this. This should be 15 because that's our y value, and then this should be 3 because that's our x value, x minus 3. Okay, now that's correct.